Hello everyone. I want to share one happy news with all of you. One of the EPT student mother called me and she asked me, "Reddy sir, my daughter is not studying. From the last 3 or 4 days I am observing my daughter is not studying the classes. Right? Please call my daughter and please let me know. She may not say clearly to me, so you please let me know." I felt so happy. I felt so happy because my goal is guiding the students. That is the purpose of EPT. I want to help as much as possible to students, right? So see the how much responsible mother is. She is observing her daughter or her son, right? So they are studying or not. I felt so happy. They are very responsible. So they called me. So me, right? I also called the student. I asked, right? So what is going on? What is happening? Right? So she said to me, "Sir, my semester exams are going on. So I'm preparing for semester exams from 10 more days from now onwards. Semester exams will be over. Again, I will start. Right? As of now, algorithm subject, I completed 15 lectures. TOC subject, I completed around 20 lectures. So pending things I will complete as soon as semester exams are over. I felt so good. Then I asked also, "How can you manage?" He said very clearly. So until this date, semester exams. Next day onwards, I will start the right remaining lectures. Right, remaining lectures. Sir, live lectures I am not able to attend now because of semester exams. Afterwards, whatever pending classes are there, I will do recording. Then followed by live, I will come. Right, for the next subject, I will come live. So I felt so happy. So my request to all the parents, right? If you find out little doubt also about your kids, right? Please contact us. We are going to help you. For every EPT, right? EPT parent, right? Those people who join in the EPT, every parent, if you have little doubt also, your kids are not studying, maybe that person is not sincere from this time onwards, please let us know. We are going to help you. We are there for this purpose only. I'm so happy if you are responsible, right? I will be so happy. As a parent, it is a responsibility. Please have one eye on the kids. If they are doing very good, well and fine. If you have little doubt also, please contact us. We are also going to call them, right? Right, we are going to fix it as much as possible, as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for calling. I felt so happy. We are there for you, right? To help you as much as possible. Thank you.